Welcome, seekers of truth and advocates for spiritual awakening. Today, we embark on a transformative journey, a call for a renaissance of organized religions that embraces the evolving understanding of an omnipresent God. In this rapidly changing world, it is time to expand our perception of the divine and recognize that each individual holds the sacred right to approach God in their own unique way.
Gone are the days when spirituality was confined to rigid structures and dogmas. We are entering an era that encourages personal connection with the divine, where we can explore our faith through direct experiences, introspección, and personal revelations. This progressive view invites us to acknowledge the inherent divinity within ourselves and each other, fostering a sense of unity that transcends religious boundaries.
Join us as we explore the beauty of diverse beliefs and practices, celebrating the myriad paths that lead to a profound connection with the divine. It's time to awaken to the realization that God is not just a distant figure, but an omnipresent energy that resides in every heart, every mind, and every soul. Together, let's embrace this renaissance of faith and ignite a movement that honors our shared humanity while celebrating the divine essence that unites us all. Today, we delve deep into the mystical dimensions of triangles, not merely as geometric forms, but as profound symbols embodying divine meaning and spiritual significance. Our journey will take us through the historical, cultural, and metaphysical importance of triangles, focusing on the enriching practice of blessing with a triangle. We will explore how this practice stands in contrast to traditional symbols like the cross, offering a path toward unity and divine connection. Join us as we navigate the intricate relationship between triangles and spirituality.
The singular triangle, a universal symbol. We begin our journey with the singular triangle, a shape infused with powerful symbolism across cultures. The triangle represents balance and harmony, resonating deeply with values inherent in various spiritual teachings. In Christianity, for instance, the triangle embodies the Holy Trinity, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Likewise, in ancient Greek philosophy, it symbolizes the essential trinity of thought, emotion, and action. Moreover, in Eastern practices, triangles illustrate key tenets like the three jewels of Buddhism, the Buddha, the Dharma, and the Sangha, guiding seekers toward enlightenment. This section highlights how the triangle serves as a bridge connecting divine principles with our human experiences.
The power of blessing with a triangle. Now let's explore the transformative practice of blessing with a triangle, where the shape holds profound spiritual energy. Envision a triangle with God at the apex, representing divine wisdom and unity. The lower left vertex represents humanity, the children of God, while the lower right vertex embodies the superconsciousness or Holy Spirit, acting as the divine connection bridging these two realms. Blessing with this triangle invokes powerful energies, promoting healing and insight.
Typically, this practice can be perceived as more powerful and reasonable than traditional blessings involving a cross, which symbolizes an instrument of death. The cross can be interpreted by Islam as a curse, a reminder of mortality and suffering. In contrast, the triangle embodies life, connections, and blessings that affirm existence and divine love. In modern spiritual practices, individuals should say, "In the name of God, the children of God, and God's superconsciousness," while performing this blessing. This phrase underscores the idea that all humans are considered children of God, and the superconsciousness is indeed the Spirit of God, reflecting a more inclusive and empowering connection.
Mystical triangular pyramids, gateways to the divine. As we move deeper into our exploration, we encounter the majestic triangular pyramids. Beyond their architectural grandeur, these pyramids serve as gateways to higher spiritual realms. The ancient Egyptians, for instance, aligned these structures with celestial bodies, believing they channeled divine energy and wisdom. The apex of the pyramid, like the triangle of blessing, draws spiritual energy from the cosmos, fostering an enhanced connection to the divine. Exploring the practice of pyramid meditation reveals how practitioners utilize these shapes as vessels to amplify spiritual energy and insights, bridging their earthly existence with higher consciousness.
Multi-triangular forms and sacred geometry. Our journey continues with multi-triangular forms, which illustrate the complexity and interconnections of existence. Sacred geometric patterns such as the Sri Yantra, a symbol made of interlocking triangles, reflect the harmonious balance of masculine and feminine energies. Each triangle represents a facet of creation, intricately woven into the universal tapestry. The flower of life, another powerful symbol, consists of overlapping circles and triangles that depict the very essence of life and interconnectedness. This segment emphasizes how these patterns are more than artistic expressions. They serve as blueprints of the universe that remind us of our unity with all beings.
The triangle in modern mysticism and beyond. In our contemporary society, the triangle continues to resonate in spiritual practices, representing protection, creativity, and balance. It's increasingly embraced by modern mystics and spiritualists as a means of grounding oneself and connecting to higher states of consciousness. Individuals are drawn to the triangle's ability to encompass their aspirations for harmony and growth, illustrating that even in a modern context, traditional symbols can evolve to reflect the greater truths of our existence.
As we conclude this transformative exploration, let the mystical journey of the triangle remind you of the interconnectedness of all things, the divine, humanity, and the spirit within us. The triangle stands as an emblem of life and blessings, encouraging unity, healing, and enlightenment. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found value in this exploration, please like and subscribe so we can continue to share the insightful content about spirituality, sacred geometry, and the wonders of the universe.
We invite you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. What does the triangle represent for you in your personal spiritual journey? How do you resonate with the powerful practice of blessing with a triangle? Your insights contribute to our growing community of seekers.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our future explorations. We have much more in store, including deep dives into other sacred symbols, teachings, and practices that can enhance your spiritual path. Until next time, may you find balance and enlightenment in the shapes and symbols that surround us, particularly the mystical triangle. Thank you for being part of this journey. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our future explorations. We have much more in store, including deep dives into other sacred symbols, teachings, and practices that can enhance your spiritual path. Until next time, may you find balance and enlightenment in the shapes and symbols that surround us, particularly the mystical triangle. Thank you for being part of this journey.